to have some fun. We're gonna go luging.
Welcome to the TravelKultur community. Here we're all about embracing travel, culture, and adventure. We use all of our content and travel guides to help explore the world the way you want to.
The people that play hockey. Luge, we're gonna go on the luge. Our luging. And
What's my race name, Ruby?
and then we get our helmets and our shirts. We gotta come up with a race name. Speed Lightning, Buzz Lightyear. Oh, you should do Usain Bolt. Represent Jamaica. You know you'd be fast. No, okay. No, I don't know.
I don't know. Name Nourish.
So guys, if you're uneducated like me about what luge is, luge derives from the French word for sled. It has roots that trace back centuries. It began as a practical mode of transportation in snowy regions of Europe, where sleds were used to carry goods and people. Over time, this tool evolved into becoming a competitive sport, with the first organized luge race taking place in Switzerland in the late 19th century. Fast forward to the 20th century, and luge has become an Olympic sport in 1964, showcasing the daring and skills of athletes hurtling down icy tracks at speeds exceeding 80 miles per hour. But what about Michigan's connection to the icy thrill? Well, Michigan, with its icy winters and adventurous spirit, embraced luge as a recreational activity. The state is home to one of only 4 luge tracks in the United States, located in Muskegon at the Muskegon Winter Sports Complex. This track was designed for beginners, enthusiasts alike, offering a unique opportunity to experience the sport without the need for Olympic-level expertise.
So this is the position you wanna get. Let your back flat, your hands on the sides. Here if you can reach, not up here, not down here, not here on the side where the bridge is, but right on the seat. Right here, not here or here, not here or here, on the side. So then it's kind of opposite motion. So if you want to turn to the right, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of lean down. You're going to look down and you're going to press on your left foot and you're going to kind of go down. I'm going to kind of look down my arm a little bit. It's not like this. See how my leg goes off? That's not good. There's walls. Walls are not good for legs. Stretch out like this. So you want to keep them all together. So on your foot, hold it. Now you're going to get all swirly. So if you feel like you're getting swirly, I want you to lean back and just relax. Okay? And knees not real tight. You're not gonna hold the cushions like this and you can't steer. You're literally putting very little pressure on those cushions and just basically holding up next to them. And it's only a little bit of pressure that you need to turn. Gloves are required. Your helmets will give you in a minute. And when you carry the sled, what you want to do is kind of lean back, go to this bottom part of the bridge right here, and then just carry it like this. Now you're going to have this helmet on. See how it's on my head? I'm mentioning helmet. It's going to clump. You're not going to feel it, so it's all good. Keys, phones, expensive watches. You might want to put them in a zipped pocket or leave them someplace safe.
You excited for this? You pumped for this? Woo! Woo! Let's get it.
Now let's talk winter. When the snow falls, this park transforms into a winter playground unlike any other. You're conquering the luge, you're strapping on your cross-country skis, or you're lacing up your skates to glide across an outdoor ice rink. Not a fan of the cold? So don't worry, there's warming tents heated by outdoor gas heaters, fire gardens, where you can cozy up to a crackling bonfire against the crisp winter air. What truly makes Muskegon Luge unique is the commitment to accessibility. Thanks to specialized adaptive equipment, everyone, regardless of physical abilities, can experience the thrill of outdoor recreation. Whether you're an athlete with a disability or simply someone who wants to try something new, this park ensures that adventure is for all. When the snow melts, the excitement continues. The wheel luge, the zip lining, archery, and the epic trail quest. There are endless ways to explore the beauty of Michigan's great outdoors. Take on the zip line challenge, but make sure to book early because those time slots fill up fast, unlike other activities. There are no limitations on the luge and the archery passes, so you can purchase them upon arrival and jumpstart into action. And if you're bringing the family or your friends who just want to watch, spectators are completely free. Here's something you might not know. Muskegon Luge Park isn't funded by the state. Muskegon Sports Council is a non-profit organization that runs the park, ensuring that its mission to outdoor recreation reaches families, students, and travelers from all across the Midwest. By visiting, donating, or simply spreading the word, you are keeping this park accessible and thriving. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Because the more people who know about Muskegon Luge Park, the more incredible experiences we can create together.
Just kind of absorb it, but we also don't want the coupons to take the full impact into that cushion.
It's our turn to do that. I'm not mentally prepared. I thought I was.
She suckered me into the
I did not sucker you into this. We're gonna have a good time. I'm nervous.
because I thought I was coming for something else.
I'm so nervous.
Dragging your heels a little bit.
Let's go, you got it! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Big money, let's go! Oh, got this! Woo!
Actually, just went down this lovely hill here. It was fun. Would I do it again?
Yes.
I'm gonna do it again, and I'm probably gonna end up screaming like I did last time. I think so far I'm the only person who screamed. She did it. Yeah. What would you rate this? I rated a 7 out of a 10.
Because she was scared. That's what I said. Because she's scared. That's why you're not
But yeah, a 7 out of a 7. We'll see if I like it the second time. What are you giving this?
I'm going to give it an 8.5 rating.
Yeah, she didn't want to be here. She really tried to get out of this.
I said one time, I'm going to
Sled Trash 47.
Keep straight. There you go.
You ready?
You're good.
Can I do the turn?
Yeah! You didn't do that the first time.
You got it.
Left leg, left leg.
Hey guys, we are wrapping up our time here at Muskegon Luge. I actually went 3 times. I opened my eyes on the 3rd one, so I will come back here. Definitely come during Wednesday and Thursday. Luge is $35. If not, I think the rest of the days are like $75. Kayon, she had a good time. So definitely come check this out. It's cold. I think the season's wrapping up, but yeah, definitely adventure.
Muskegon Luge Park is one of the most thrilling outdoor experiences in Michigan. We are gliding over ice, trekking through the woods, or even taking aim with archery. The possibilities here are endless. This isn't just a park, it's an experience crafted for you. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a first-time explorer, Muskegon Luge Park has something designed to push your limits, challenge your skills, and ignite your sense of adventure. Any of this sounds interesting to you? Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more adventures. Until next time, bye!